How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Patriot DIY channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install fender flares on your golf cart. All right, guys, now these fender flares can be a really cool addition to any golf cart. Not only does it add a really cool rugged look, but if you have larger tires or a wider wheelbase like mine, it's also going to protect your golf cart from rocks and mud and stuff getting slung up onto the side. Now the ones I'm installing are specific to the newer Ezgo TXTs, but you can get these same ones for pretty much any golf cart manufacturer. It's a pretty simple process for install, so I'm going to get in here and show you exactly how we do this. But first, guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Now this kit's going to come with both front and rear fender flares, and each one is specific to its location. So you'll notice that each one has a cutout here to accommodate the side skirt on the side of the golf cart. Now each fender is going to be labeled on the inside to let you know its location. You can see this is front right for the Ezgo 2014 and up. Now you can attach these two different ways. It'll come with these little plastic push connectors here that'll push into the hole and lock in place. Or for a more secure install, you could use bolts and lock nuts. Now you can buy the stainless hardware as a kit on Amazon, but what I'm going to use is just these 1/4 by 1 inch bolts and lock nuts that I picked up at the hardware store. Now we'll have links to the fender flares as well as the hardware kit linked in the description below if you want to get it for yourself. Now let's get to work. First, just test fit the fender flare and hold it in the position that you want to mount it. Then mark the location of your holes. I found it easiest to mark the location of the first hole and then work my way down from there. Once I've marked that hole, I'm going to drill it out with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Then put the fender back in place and push the bolt through. Then I'll put my washer and lock nut on the back and tighten it down. Then I'll move on to the next hole and hold it in place while drilling out the hole. And then I'll repeat the process of pushing through the bolt, adding the washer and lock nut on the back, and tightening it down. Then you just repeat that process for each hole along the fender flare. And as you can see, we have a nice secure fit, and I love the look of that black hardware. With the first one done, move on to the rest of your fender flares, following that same process to install it. All right, guys, that is it for how to install the fender flares on your golf cart. I hope this video helped you out. And don't forget, I will have links to the fender flares and the hardware kit linked in the description below if you want to get these for yourself. Now, this video is part of a golf cart upgrade and accessories series. So if you want to see more, I'll have that playlist linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.